Welcome, here I've got Motorola One Macro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. And it gives us access to advanced camera settings, so now let's slide a little bit down to the capture settings here. And here we have the leveler, so by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works here, and for now I'm going to keep this turn it on to show you how it works. So let's go back to the camera preview, and as you can see it generates us this sign, and this is our leveler. This is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture, and this is how it works here. And of course, when we don't need it, we can easily turn it off by going again to these buttons here and tapping on this function. So for now it's gone. This is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.